Hello students, good morning all of you. Today our topic is class 8 science, second chapter microorganisms front and fore. Okay, already we know that some microorganisms are beneficially and some are harmfully. Today we discuss some common human diseases caused by microorganisms. Okay, look at this table 2.1 carefully. We discuss about. Okay, first human diseases caused to microorganisms, mode of transmission and preventive measures. Okay, first human diseases, tuberculosis caused to microorganism, bacteria. Mode of transmission, air. How to this diseases trans to one person to another, medium of air. Okay, and measles, virus, and transmission, air. Chicken pox caused to microorganisms, virus, and mode of transmission, air or contact. And polio caused to microorganism, virus, medium, air or water. Okay, so preventive measures mean preventive measures include the measures or step taken for the prevention of diseases as opposite diseases treatments. Which type of steps we take? Okay, keep the patients in complete isolation, keep the personally belongings of the patients away from those of the others. Okay, and vaccination to be given at suitable age. Okay, we use the suitable age vaccines. Okay, these are the preventive measures of these types of diseases. Okay, and next, cholera caused to microorganism, bacteria, mode of transmission, water or food. And typhoid, bacteria and water. What are the preventive measures of these two types of the diseases? Maintain personally hygiene and good sanitary habits. Hygienes mean cleanness. Okay, and sanitary means good food and a clean drink water. Okay, we should drink clean drink water and our surrounding mm, cleanness. Okay, consume proper cooked foods and boil drink water, and we use some vaccines. Okay, we drink the boiled water and we eat proper cooked food. Okay, and we use some vaccines of these diseases. Okay, and hepatitis A caused to microorganism, virus, and mode of transmission, water. Okay, what are the preventive measures? Drink boiled drink water and use vaccines. We should drink boiled water and use some vaccines. Okay, and last one, malaria. Protozoa, mode of transmission, mosquito, Anopheles mosquito. Okay, mosquito. Use mosquito nets and repellents. Spray insect acids and control breeding of the mosquitoes by not allowing water to collect in the surrounding. And we use the mosquito nets and we use the spray of the insect acids. Okay, so these are the some common human diseases caused by microorganisms. Okay children, some of the common diseases affecting humans, their mode of transmission and few general methods of prevention are shown in figure number 2.1. So these are transmit one person to another, they need some mediums, air, water and physically contacts. Okay, and in other animals, for example, anthrax is a dangerous human and cattle diseases caused by bacterium. Anthrax is the dangerous human and cattle diseases caused by bacterium. Okay, anthrax caused by the bacterium. Okay, this is the very dangerous human and cattle diseases caused by a bacterium. Foot and mouth diseases of cattle is caused by a virus. Foot and mouth diseases of cattle is caused by virus. Okay, And next we discuss about diseases causing microorganisms in plants. Already we discussed diseases causing microorganisms in animals, and next we discuss some plants also caused by the different types of diseases. So we discuss what are the diseases and what are the mediums. Okay, several microorganisms caused diseases in plants like wheat, rice, potato, sugarcane, orange, apple, and other. So some plants also cause the diseases. Wheat plants, rice and potato, sugarcane, orange, apple plants. And these diseases reduce the health of crops. See the figure number table number 2.2. We discuss the table number 2.2. These are the plant diseases. Okay, transmission. These are the causative microorganisms. These are the transmission. Okay. So let's we discuss 2.2 some common plant diseases caused by microorganisms. First, plant diseases. Cancer. Citrus cancer causative microorganism bacteria. Mode of transmission air. Rust of wheat microorganism fungi. And mode of transmission air or seeds. Okay. Yellow vein, mosaic of Bindi, and causative microorganism virus, mode of transmission insects. So use of some chemicals which kill the microbes. Okay, we have human beings and some animals also suffering the some diseases and causative the diseases. At the same plants, some plants also diseases caused by microorganisms. Okay, children, I understand some common human diseases caused by microorganisms and some common plant diseases caused by microorganisms. Okay, thank you all of you.